Attention, WhatsApp users. Here is how to create your WhatsApp username key and control exactly who can contact you using your username. To create a username key, simply go to your account settings. From there, tap on the username option to open your username settings. Once you are there, tap on Contact Me by Username. On the next screen, you will see different privacy options. Select People Who Know My Key. After you choose this option, WhatsApp will generate a unique username key for your account. This key acts like a private code that controls who can message you using your username. You can share it only with people you trust, so strangers won't be able to contact you through your username. If you are not happy with the generated key, simply tap Get a different key to create a new one. You can repeat this as many times as you like until you find a key you are comfortable with. Once you are satisfied with your key, tap Save Key to confirm your settings. After saving, your username key will be activated. From then on, only people who have your username key will be able to message you using your username.